Hey, what's up you guys? It is Miss Pixie and today we are here to learn about the WavyTalk Steamline Pro. I am super excited because this straightener has been all over the internet. I have been seeing everyone use it and I was like, I wonder what she is about. Seriously. So we are unboxing her together today to see what she is about. Let's take a look. Let's take the paper off. I am so excited to collaborate with WavyTalk on my dream hair tool. The new steam straightening brush has become my go-to styling tool. It makes straightening my hair so much easier and quicker, and the amazing added benefits of increasing the shine and minimizing heat damage. I can't wait for you to try it and make sure to tag me in your results. Thank you so much for your support, and here's to beautiful hair. Love, Danielle Athena. At Danielle Athena. And then WavyTalk. Oh, we have accessories. Oh, she's pretty. So first of all, I see our water reservoir here. Super simple. Slides right back on. Then you have this brush. Oh wow. Oh wow, that feels good. Okay, yeah, that actually grips the hair a lot better than I thought it was going to. See? Okay, I'm assuming the heat or the steam is okay. There's the puff of steam, there's the power button, there's the temperature control. As you see, puff of steam, temperature, power. 1 second, I'm gonna grab some water. Okay, so we got our water. Let's get back to seeing what's in here. First of all, we have a glove so we don't burn our hand. Love that. We have a bottle for our water. Love that too. Ooh, we have 2 hair clips. Very nice ones at that. And we got a freaking scrunchie. Dude, what? That is such a beautiful color. I love it. Ah, we're getting attacked by a bug. Anyway, we also have this tool to clean our hair out of our brush with. So, let's give WavyTalk an actual try. And you see there's just this little piece here. I'm gonna pop that off. Super simple even with nails. Line it up, unscrew the cap on our water. Ah, get water everywhere. And we fill the reservoir. Yeah, it's pretty full. Pop the lid back on. Pop that lid back on. Good to go. Just slide that right back in. Boop. Easy. And get this plugged in. and turn it on. She is on, and she starts off at 380, and we're just gonna let her hang out there at 380 and see what she does. Actually, we're gonna turn it up because I'm curious with the steam. It's like 410 and then it shows the steam function. Still blinking. I don't think it's ready yet. We're gonna let that load up. We'll be right back. Okay, so she is now heated up. I hit the steam button. It has not started producing steam yet, but it is trying to load water up from the back. I can tell it's like trying to get there. So we're just gonna see what it does as far as straightening. Oh no, okay, it is steaming. Okay, there's the steam. It's coming out now. I was right. It literally just had to load up. Yeah, literally it just needed to load. That's crazy. I can like hear it going. Ooh, we're gonna grab that high glove because that is hot. Nah, I can't really grip my hair as good once I have the glove on. I've got to figure that out. But I'm not like the master of hair doing. This is like a learning curve for me. I like the way this feels though. It's really neat. I have one other brush straightener that I use, and it doesn't grip my hair quite like this. That's crazy. I'm just gonna go for it. I know this isn't proper, this isn't perfect, but I have super thin hair, so I really don't have to section it off whenever I straighten it. I can kind of just go for it. And it takes me less than 5 minutes to straighten my hair. And I know that makes some of you sick. I am so sorry. But that's probably the only thing I have easy in life is my hair. See, I've literally already went over my whole entire head in just those few strokes. And yes, it is steaming. It's just a very fine steam, so it's not drenching your hair. Your hair is definitely like a tiny bit damp, but it's like, it's so hard to explain. It's like a stylish damp, like you can just do something with it. It's like if you had the perfect misting bottle. So if you're looking for a little magical addition to your bathroom setup, to your morning routine, I definitely recommend the WavyTalk Steamline Pro, because I'm loving what this shit has done to my hair. Okay. That's what's up, dude. That is nice. Let's see. I want a little bit of volume. So we're just going to brush it forward and kind of do upward strokes. That usually works for me. Yep. Give me that little bit of volume with that, and you can actually tease it. Nice. Alright, yeah. Miss Pixie definitely recommends the WavyTalk Steamline Pro. This thing is awesome. So, I'll catch you guys later. Ooh, and she matches the nails. Ah! It was meant to be. That's all I can say. It was meant to be.